Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to talk about topic that may be related to us as a social creatures. And I just want to ask you with one question to start this video. Do you ever feel this situation when in workplace, friendship, even relationship, people with consciousness trying to talk or doing something that they are not do to other people, and you might feel degraded or maybe feel unfair for yourself because you're just thinking that I'm such a nice person, I try to be kind to everyone, but somehow that energy is not the same as me. As a people pleaser, I always try to seek the answer, but now I just discover it, that just because you are kind without boundaries. Kind without boundaries. I can say when you are being too kind to others, that just means that you will disrespecting yourself. Why I can say like that? Because when you are kind, some people almost feel like whatever I do to this person or whatever I will say to this person, they will still stay. They will still accept my behavior. And that kind of situation will make people abuse you when they notice that you are someone like this. So you have to learn to stand up for yourself. And how to stand up with yourself when you just being kind to other? First, I understand that you want to standing up for yourself, but you just too afraid to being a bad guy. You have to remember, the people that make you feel like a bad guy for you to standing up are the same people that got the benefit for you having no boundaries. So do not care of them, because based on my experience, these people will test how far they can go with you. And what do I do to face this situation? Most of the time, I try to traumatize them for not doing that kind of shit to me again, because they know that I'm not like this situation. And the second, don't let people think that you should be available for them all day long. You don't have to do that. You don't have to be exist for all people. And imagine you are going to hang out with your friend or maybe dating someone, and these people like, hey, come over in 1 hour to our place. Do not go. This actually disrespectful, because I always see that people who just come at any opportunity, yeah, okay, I will come, share the location. That seems like people that desperate. That is super desperate. Same thing when some of you say, oh, I put much effort, those people doesn't give it back to me. Why do I always put much effort to them? Did you ever make sure that they had to give that to you? Like from the beginning, did you set those boundaries? Because from now on, I'm setting the standard that everyone give me a good treatment or I'm not with you. Just about the fact that I want to see people put effort to be with me, and I will do the same to you. And the third, do not allow people to talk down to you, even in a joking way. I understand that sometimes joking need a victim to make it funnier, but who is that funny to? I think to the bully, not to the person that is on the receiving end. If you are not feeling comfortable to that jokes, you can just simply not giving reaction that they truly want. From the suggestion that I just said before, people always think that these things are so extreme and blah blah blah. But honestly, truth is, I just love my own company. So if I'm going to make the effort to meet up with you and be with you when I really love being by myself, then you have to give me a better life than I have by myself. And if you cannot do that, if you don't make me happier than I am by myself, or you don't respect me as much as I respect myself, then what's the point of hang out with you or maybe spending time with you? I'm not going to feel miserable sitting around people and feeling sad about myself because people do not respecting me. Because I literally struggle growing up in my whole life. Now I'm an adult. I have freedom. I can choose who I am with. Why would I choose people that make me feel miserable? Because all of us deserve good people around us. And if those people are not respecting, let them leave. someone else that making you happy will come, I think. Mostly in relationship or maybe in friendship. Also, give people what they give for you. You don't call, I don't call. You don't text, I don't text. Literally, you don't plan a date, I don't show up. You don't have to beg for someone's approval. They will never see it. And you cannot make them see because they don't see that. That's it. All the tips that I just said will make them think like, you should not let go of people. There is no loyalty. When someone say things like that to you, you have to think, where's their loyalty when they abusing me, talking down to me, being disrespectful? Where's their loyalty? Toxic people will blame you for your reaction, but never for the way they act. I hope you learned something, and I hope you stop letting people walk all over you. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.